Hi, my name is Leslie Moselle, and I'm from Tampa, Florida. And on behalf of Expert Village, this is Hair Accessories. Jumbo claw clips. As you saw before, there are the mini clips and the regular clips. But these jumbo claw clips are great for women with thicker hair and a lot of it. Instead of having to use 5 of the smaller clips, you can basically just use 1. You don't always get the tightest grip with them, but they're great if you just want to throw your hair up and you don't want to put too many accessories in it. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to gather up as much of your hair as you can, basically all of it, and just twist it up in a tight look, that French twist. And you want to put the clip as high up on the twist as you can, because the lower you go, it's not going to hold up the top half of your hair. So basically you just wrap it around and you just give it that extra little tighten with your hand, and there you go. You hold up your hair, and that's the jumbo claw clip, and that's how you use it.